Great news, everyone. It is Giselle's MOT day. Less good news is she's there.
And we have to be in a place far away in like
very soon. So we need to get her out, put the grill on and move Bob so we can get everything how we need it. There we go. First time in many months Giselle has her grill fitted again.
Giselle's become a little bit of an Instagram celebrity, hasn't she?
Yeah. Over 1 million views on the gram. Hopefully that'll open again.
So for that another reason, somebody hates her less now.
Yeah, maybe. Excuse the Bilingo soundtrack. We'll see if she's happy to wake up. Not a great start. I don't know where the jump pack is.
Oh, okay.
Well, if you were a jump pack, where would you be?
If I was a jump pack, somewhere sensible. If I was your jump pack, Lord only knows.
Yeah, that is kind of the problem, isn't it? So I might have to go jump leads.
Good old Bella.
She's alive!
She's alive! Woohoo! Oh, she's rising up. Come on in, Giselle. Come on, please, Giselle.
Oh, she's up, she's up.
Yep, she just rose up. We really could do with a result this week, couldn't we, love?
Really could, yeah.
Yes.
Hoping to get a wash on the way.
What I said, dear, was we should get more Citroens.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, definitely
Yes.
a good idea. Here she comes.
Oh, no!
Oh, no. Come on, Giselle. Good girl. We are on the road in Giselle. The rail has been put back in place and she's been jump started and she's off.
Yeah, that's my fault really. I think last time we had to move around at the unit, her battery was already low. I think I jumped her then and didn't run her long enough to charge the battery back up.
Yeah.
These older alternators, they won't really provide charge on tick over, so unless you go for a run for 10-15 minutes, you're not putting a useful amount of charge
that
in.
is the thing.
No.
Now we can.
Yeah. So
now we can.
Off to the MOT, just trying to decide if we've got enough time to give her a wash. I don't think we've got enough time to give her a big wash, but
a quick hose down.
maybe we can improve things.
How are you feeling being behind the wheel of Giselle?
It is nice. That's so comfortable ride.
Did we predict this, ladies?
The buzzy little 4-cylinder engine. Oh, the dials.
Oh, I know.
The lack of battery light.
Oh.
I've not driven Giselle on the road with no battery light. It's mildly disconcerting.
This is a good thing.
Yeah, it is a good thing.
But yeah, onward to the test centre. Please, fingers crossed. So Giselle just had a world's speediest wash.
Yeah, and her gratitude was she didn't start.
So we've just started her in reverse.
Just had the bump starter in reverse, yeah, and we're completely missed it up.
But the gratitude is incredible with these cars.
Yeah.
Just incredible. Anyway, in a moment we will be heading off once we're deemed.
Once we do miss, we can actually see again,
Yes.
yeah.
Watch out for that little.
Yeah, there's a BMW. I think that's a BMW i3 in front of us. I can't really see.
I think it is. It's quite cute, that.
Yeah, demisting is not going. Oh, I fell off.
Oh no. You know, we're not ones for omens.
Oh, did I swear? I do apologise.
No, I'd say we're not one for omens, like things telling us we're going to go with this. Oh God.
Well, we made it here. We're just waiting for our go on the ramp, but she's looking a lot cleaner, so that's good. And the lights appear to be working at the moment. I've just had to fix the washers, and yeah, a bit fraught what with the not starting at the petrol station. In fact, we haven't stopped for petrol. We could do so, but I didn't trust her to restart again. So I thought we'd just keep driving and get some charge in that battery. And yeah, fingers crossed, eh, dear?
Oh, we just need a win, please. Just a one. In fact, two, actually.
Whew, good news.
Spoiler, we're in Giselle.
Yeah, spoiler, we're in Giselle and we're driving home now.
Yeah, so yeah, that went well. That went well, actually.
Yeah. Good test.
She's only got minor defects. Track rod end ball joint dust cover damaged or deteriorated.
Yeah, that's really minor. Grease is leaking out.
It's got preventing the ingress of dirt.
Yeah.
And then we've got some advisory. Suspension arm ball joint has slight offside front lower. We knew that, didn't we? Really.
Yeah.
Hydraulic leak. We knew that as well.
Yeah.
An oil leak, but not excessive. So, bearing in mind she's been sat and she's 37 years old, she's doing pretty damn well.
Pretty good result.
Well done, Giselle.
So clean bill of health for another year, although obviously some things to do, but not massive things.
No.
So
And we really needed that. So yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
That was good. Thank you to Madeira and Havard. Always brilliant. They seem to be up to their eyeballs in work.
They are so busy. Yeah.
But they're good at what they do, so that's why they are. So yeah, that's been a win. We're now going to go and get some lunch.
Yeah.
And then on to something not so fortuitous.
Yeah, you will see a video coming soon on Shemi the Charade, and it's been emotional, folks. We have learnt new skills through our friends at Whiteland Restorations, and you will be able to see all of that in a video
I've been in a
soon.
constant state of wanting to vomit for days. It's not gone yet because it's not good.
Also, keep an eye out for a future video. We'll be doing an announcement about this car and me, and hopefully you at times, being at the NEC Classic Motor Show.
Yes,
so that's very exciting as well.
Yeah. Oh, so you are taking Giselle?
Yeah, I thought, if she's going to pass her MOT, I will take her to the ball.
Doesn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's
so
fair
2
enough.
years since she last went.
Or should
So we'll take her again. And she's such a useful car. I can fit all the merch, all the stand,
she's really
the tables.
Spacious. She's a great little daily. And I drove her this morning on private land slowly, just to clarify. Yeah.
Your first time driving Giselle?
Yeah.
We've still got a few niggles to iron out, but then every car always has niggles.
Yeah.
So we'll crack on with those. We'll crack through the advisory list. And I have to say as well, it's only very slight, so it wasn't picked up on the MOT. We have got a wheel bearing just starting to grumble a bit occasionally. So that is something else I need to get on.
Yeah, it's on a right hand, a steep
Yeah, you go around the
turn,
right, which I think means it's the left. It's the one you're loading that makes the noise.
Okay.
But nothing really audible on the MOT test.
Yeah, so Shemi is the next big massive priority because there's a certain test looming. And then it's Myrtle.
Yeah.
Which we know you all want to see the revival of Myrtle. That was very clear in the Q&A, wasn't it?
Yeah. But poor Myrtle keeps getting pushed down and down to the bottom of the table.
Yeah, but yeah, it's been a positive morning, even though chaotic.
It has.
Positive.
And it's a lovely day as well. We've got blue skies and sunshine for Giselle getting back on the road. So.
Woohoo! Let's go!
Well, there we go, folks. Giselle back on the road, past her MOT, and happy days indeed. We are looking forward to putting some miles on Giselle.
Absolutely.
Again.
I mean, she's not just going to get shoved back in the shed, well, she is for this very moment in time, but
yeah, complicated car logistics going on at the moment.
although
We
she's
could just
probably
leave
not
Betty at the
today.
top.
Anyway,
Yeah.
moving on. She's going to the NEC, so she's going to get some mileage done, and you'll all be able to meet her if you haven't already. I know she's been to a couple of socials, but
come and admire her ridiculous interior and beautiful exterior. I have to get her mocked up.
She is beautiful.
Quite scruffy actually under closer examination.
And yeah, we're very excited and very pleased and very happy because this has been awful.
Yeah. It has been an ordeal, a battle.
However,
Also a battle just to have the time to try and sort this out.
But we did it.
Yeah, we did it. We got there. A bit like the charade. It didn't feel like we were going to get there at times, but nonetheless, we have a car which appears to be fully functioning and is now road legal again. So very, very pleasing times indeed.
Yeah. Let's not talk about
So
that
thank you very much for watching. We're going to head off to our friends at Whiteland Restoration now, and we shall see you in a future video. Farewell.
Bye.
She's definitely the star of this one.
She's glorious.